Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. As we go through, just follow the highlighted path. We have to scroll down to YouTube Studio. Tap YouTube Studio. When you come here, tap the highlighted path at the top right. When you come here, tap Google account. Then from here, we have to scroll down to data and privacy. Data and privacy. Tap it and then it will take you to verification process where you will enter your password that you usually open your locked phone. After verification process, you will come here, then tap YouTube. Then tap I want to permanently delete my content. Then tap delete my content. When you come here, type your email address. As you can see, I type mine is here. After entering your email address, tap delete my content. Finally, you are done. So please, if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.